In the quiet town of Anini, Antique, lies a place where the earth breathes warmth, the Siraan Hot Spring and Health Resort. Perched on a cliff by the sea, this natural wonder has long captured the hearts of travelers and locals alike. Its waters rise from deep within the earth, heated by the magma and shaped by time. By day, it glows with peace and beauty, but when night falls, its mist begins to whisper stories untold. Some say its waters heal, others believe spirits guards its depth. Siraan is a place of balance where the mountain meets the sea and where beauty hides its dark side. To have some ideas about the truth behind these stories, we asked one of the staff members from Siraan Hot Spring.
Good day to everyone. My name is Karen Zubet Arapanan. I am the Tourism Operations Officer of the Municipality of Anini, including the Siraan Hot Spring.
Good morning, ma'am. Can you tell us how Siraan Hot Spring started and how it got its name?
Okay. I am not sure and I don't have a concrete evidence of where the name came from, but in Karaya, we say, gasira ang panit kung malibos ikaw sa tubig kasiraan. So, it may be one of the reasons where the name of the Siraan came from, because when you immerse in the water and later on, when you get out of the water, if you're going to check your skin, it is something like the paramuti or gaputi-puti because of the property of sulfuric water when you touch your skin.
What makes Siraan Hot Spring unique from other hot springs in the Philippines?
Let's compare it to what you call it in English, Mambukal, because that is the only one that I know of aside from Siraan Hot Spring. Mambukal is a lot hotter. Its sulfuric water is a lot hotter than Siraan Hot Spring, but it is like a pulse that came from above, while the one in Siraan Hot Spring came out of the rocks. And the water or the sulfuric water that came from Siraan Hot Spring is not really that hot. It is a tepid water where you can immerse yourself and relax.
How old is the resort and what changes has it undergone through the years?
I cannot say precisely how old is it, who discovered it first, but it is maybe more than 50 years ago that they first discovered the water sprouting from the rocks and the use of it. And the changes is that for the sulfuric spring, right now they have put some tubs and the swimming pool, but the swimming pool is just half sulfur and half water from the spring, but not all of it are sulfuric. So it is mixed water and sulfur. But the tubs on Siraan Hot Spring near the sea is the one that is purely sulfuric, that is coming from the sulfuric spring. But how old is it? I am not sure, but I'm sure it is more than 50 years old.
We tried to find answers to know how Siraan truly began and what lies beneath its waters. But even those who work here every day can seem to explain it. Their words are filled with uncertainty and theories. Where does the hot water come from?
We're not sure. We only knew that it sprouted under the rocks at the tip of the Siraan Hot Spring shore, but we're not sure where it really came from. We haven't explored it yet.
Okay. Do you believe that the hot spring have healing benefits?
Healing benefits in the sense that every hot water, not necessarily sulfur, is a pain reliever. So if you felt any pain, like for example, you're suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, then you're going to immerse in hot water, whether it is sulfuric or not. It will heal. It will not really heal you, but it will. It will lesser the pain that you can feel. But in case of Siraan Hot Spring, it is not really healing because it is not that hot. Okay, so maybe all it can give you is chest relaxation because you can immerse yourself in a tepid water and you can lie down on the tub, but not necessarily that can heal you. But maybe because it's sulfuric, it can heal some dermatologic cases, like some of the skin diseases, maybe. We're not sure, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am. That's all. Thank you.
Maybe the truth was never meant to be clear. Maybe Sir Anne keeps its secret, hidden beneath the steam, waiting for those who dare to ask. Among the staff of Sir Anne Hot Spring, one name stood out, Ma'am Isadora. She has worked here for 15 years, witnessing the calm mornings and the haunting silence of the nights. In our interview, she shared stories that blurred the line between reality and mystery.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. Mamangkot kami kung anong ngaran mo, kag kung ano ang posisyon mo dyan sa Siraan.
Okay. Ang ngaran ko gali si Isadora Gomia, Housekeeping Department.
So, mamangkot lang dad kami kung anong mga experience mo dyan sa silid ka Siraan. Kung may mga experience ikaw nga kababalaghan or whatsoever.
Sa time na to nga, siguro mga almost 15 years ako rin dyan sa Siraan. Siyempre may mga naano gid ako. One time sa may pagpanilhi ko dira sa may bubog. Gulpi lang may naguni nga tunog kang barko bala nga madungka siya. Daw to damblarian. Singanan ko akong imaw kung nabatian mo to. Sabat niya, ang ano to doors how? Ang ano to doors how? Kung nabatian mo dahil nga may nagdungka, may barko nga ano. Kung wala man, sige lang. Aga-aga pa mo, daw mag-alas 6 ron. Siguro mga 5:50 guro to. Sa aga. Ti mo to. Dua pagiti, sige pa nila nagikikin. Mabutan ta sa atong guest, namin din natin naghuli pagiti. Amo to ra ko gagwanta nagadto ko sa may bubog. Sa may bubog kay tawon ko kun basi bala nga may nagdungka nga may mga skip, may mga nagdungka dira nga mga ano diyan wara tawhay ang likod sa may bubog diyan sa may dagat. Tawhay warat nagdungka gid warat ti tawhay aga pa tawhay warat nagano gid. Amo to kun bay ilang basi nagano to. Ay aga-aga pa mo. Amo to na experiencehan ko.
They say the sound of a ship echoes in Siraan, even when no vessel sails the waters. Some believe it's a spirit ship, forever lost at sea, calling out to the living, but others think it's the only wind or perhaps an echo from another time.
Tapos, may guest kami nga from Iloilo.
Yes.
Nalipat lang ito ko sa ngalan ni Sister. Madrito mo. Wala lang ko kaano kay basta Madrito from Iloilo. Di ko na, ay ga kang kauna nga ra, may sirena ra idya nga nagano. Ano dira sa may bato block. Kuna, ay gali ka sister, nagpakilala ta na mga Madritana. Pero sa kadya nga tion, puro rin mga high-tech, wala rin ti mga kuan. Kung kuha mo gani sister, wala na siguro karon. Kaya mo to nga, aga-aga man to. Isabat niya sa akon. Ito na, pwede picturean mo kami ga? Kaya ko, ay sister, pwede man. Karas ni sister, ay dali ka mo ron. Daw ko na mo, nanghagad si sister, ay dali ka mo ron. Iya mga imaw gani sa kuan. Pag picture ko, sa grupo mo, pag picture ko, may nag-abay nga. Dira sa iyang likod, tapos ipakita ni sister, kanakon dyan, palimbarot akong balibo, gani katungod tayo. Ikaw ni sister, ay, nagpamaan, nagpamaan tuga nga. Iskin buhay rin dyan pagalit sanda. Amot tungod tayo. Tapos,
Was it a trick of a light? Or something else that wished to be seen? Some say the sea never forgets those who once lives beneath its waves.
guest namon niya si Sir, sino to si Sir man? Dita nakaturog bay, alauna sa Kasanagon. Alauna, Kasanagon na mo, alauna. Sa gabi iimron na mo. Ti karon kuna hindi ko mga katurog, ti kape-kape siya may mga makul ija mo, may mga mushroom ija cottage. Ano to? Ano bala ko. Nakita na nga may nagapanaog nga babae kabadlakan. Perti ka sigagid, perti kuno ka perti ka sigagid anang mga puti-puti. Kuna ba si Mama Mary to? Kaya ka na ang Berhindra, milagroso. Milagroso ka rin dyan ang Berhin na. Tapos, kuna, galagaw ra kis abay. Galagaw ra. Isa ang Berhin nga ra dyan, ang Berhin ka ra dyan, dira bala ga wishing bala ang mga warat bata, dira ga sindi sila. Igo magbalik ka ra. May mga bata rin nagabusong ra. Di na sila ga wish nila sa miyan sa Berhin. May nagaano ba kara kay Mama Mary dyan, taga Iloilo? Ta nakara dyan, naga ano kang bayo, kay gina, ano nga gani siya,
Save.
padamgo.
Padang.
Padamgo ta nga, ang Berhin bala, nagatubang sa dagat. Kaya umura si Mama Mary. Nakita man niya, amo to nga, iyang ipabayuan, iyang ipahimuan kabalay-balay.
Some say she appeared to those who needed faith most. Others believe the figure was something else, a spirit taking form of light. But one thing is certain, since that night, prayers have never stopped at Siraan.
Tapos dira sa mi tapos kito nga time ay shifting kami mong paggabi. Ako sa front desk ay ang sulod ko kay daw alas 10 sa gabi alas 10 sa gabi ako rin magbulos bala sa mi alas 9 ako rin gapulos sa may front desk hastar na magaga di sakit akong ulo amo to may may malam kauna para wala para makitaan ang wala para makitaan ang front desk kara dyan. Tapos ang malang ko na kunaga pwede ako ija mapungko amo ko sa malam kung kuod ma'am pwede ikaw iya pungko ma'am kung kuwan ho ma'am kuna nabatyagan ko daw may mga bata nagsipal-sipal dyan. Ito parang sa aragyan pasulod di ba darawa bira ka entrance daw ija kag ija ang ija
Something.
may ano ra dyan mong may iba ra dyan kato may iba ra dyan kag daw dulom ra dyan mong kato kuna daw may bata ka ra dyan mo nga 4 kabilo nga nagasipal-sipal di amo to isipal-sipal kung kuwala sige ma'am diri lang ka sa akong tupad ma'am ay aman ang gali ka to may third eye man may third eye man. Tapos ingkapta na ako. Na, ay malam gani daw siguro mga 70. Ay kaya nag-ano hulat gani siya mga apo.
Okay.
Narigos. Ti kung ko nang nagmanang lang ako kay ti wala ikaw tumarigos na hindi lang ga idya lang ako amra ko na. So na idya lang ako sa imo nagkaputan kanakon. Kun ko na kapten ako. Daw may ano ikaw no, may ano kuno ako, may third eye kuno ako nga nga mabatyagan mo man, amro kun kanaken. Kung akisaman lang kung kung matabuan bala nga gulpi mo lang ma-open mo pud ang third eye. Inabot na kang bata na. Ito na nanao sila sa ubos. Tapos sige na, halong lang dira. Muto. Tapos ang ijata na, actually wala man ko nabatyagan dito. Wala man pinaanuhan. Okay naman ija. Ay, ito galing kwarto ayun. Ito na sa likod. Oo, dito galing kwarto may dyan. Pero amo lang gani lang nga. Kung hina dungan mo, pagigaw mo. Paanohan gabi, basta hinaduhin. Pero sa mga okay man lang, basta mga buot ra ang mga dyan. Hindi lang ikaw magsinupalala. Makita nila nga, mag-ano ikaw sa entrance nga, mag-ano, isog-isog ikaw dyan. May dyan nga, time nga. Ay, daw ka mga isog. Daw mga one time nga. Ano to? Daw grupo nito sila. Dila sa may sa Prantis may gabantera dyan. May gabantera dyan. May dyan nga, hindi kita buot. Amra gani, hindi ka kinagsinulada kay dawan ka balaw. Imuan ka amo lang to, ang aking yan na-experience din sa may Siran Hot Spring. Durugin nga salamat.
Thank you. For years, Siran has been known as a place of rest, a refuge for travelers seeking peace. But to those who've worked here the longest, like Mom Isadora, Siran holds more than beauty. It holds stories, strange, unexplainable, yet unforgettable. She has witnessed moments that science can't explain, stories passed from one worker to another, stories that live in the whispers of the wind. Before we end this documentary, there's one more story connected to Siran. Just across the waters lies Nogas Island, quiet, uninhabited, but never forgotten. Locals say that Nogas and Aninii were once a paradise, bound by love and life. But when a curse fell upon them, the earth trembled, the sea rose, and Nogas drifted away, leaving only silence. Some believe the hot waters of Siran are now remnants of that curse, the earth's sorrow still burning beneath our feet. Others say that at night, spirits from Nogas cross the sea to Siran, searching for the love they lost long ago. No one truly knows where the myth ends and the truth begins, but one thing is certain, Nogas and Siran are bound forever. Two places, one mystery, a story that refuses to sink beneath the sea. No one really knows the truth behind Siran, why it was named that way, or what lies beneath its warm waters. Some say it heals, others believe it hides something deeper. Only theories, only stories, never proven. But one thing is certain, Siran keeps its secrets well. Maybe that's what makes it haunting, a reminder that not every beauty is meant to be understood.